In an SHTF world, knowing which insects are safe to eat and which ones are not can be a matter of life and death. While many insects are edible and even, I guess, nutritious, there are several that are toxic and potentially deadly if you eat them. So we are going to look at 12 insects that people should never eat and the reasons why. Blister beetles. Blister beetles produce a toxic compound which causes severe irritation and blistering upon contact with the skin or the mucous membranes. Ingesting blister beetles can lead to severe gastrointestinal distress, including vomiting and diarrhea, and in extreme cases, it can be fatal. Cooking doesn't destroy cantharidin, the compound, so blister beetles remain toxic even when they're cooked. Interestingly, cantharidin has been used medicinally in small doses for things like wart removal, but its ingestion is highly dangerous. Monarch butterflies and caterpillars. Monarch butterflies and their larvae feed on milkweed, which contains toxic compounds called cardenaloids. These toxins can cause nausea, vomiting, and heart problems if they're ingested in large quantities. Cooking does not neutralize these toxins. Monarchs are a critical part of the ecosystem and they're beautiful. And they serve as a food source for certain predators that are immune to their toxins. Fireflies. Fireflies contain toxic steroids that can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and in some cases be lethal. These toxins are not destroyed by cooking, making fireflies unsafe to eat. But fireflies do play a crucial role in natural pest control, and they're known for their bioluminescence, which has been studied for potential medical applications. Red imported fire ants. Red imported fire ants have venom that can cause allergic reactions if it's ingested, leading to symptoms like swelling, itching, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. Cooking does not eliminate these venomous properties. And while they're called imported, it just means they were brought here originally from South America, and they are invasive and they're everywhere. If you have fire ants that have that reddish-brown body, they're up to 1/4 of an inch long, and they swarm around your feet and legs if you disturb their mound, then you have red imported fire ants. Puss caterpillars. Puss caterpillars, there's the name for you, have toxic hairs that can cause intense pain, vomiting, and systemic reactions if ingested. Cooking doesn't neutralize these toxins. Puss caterpillars are fascinating because they're really, really cute and furry, and that makes them look deceptively harmless. Japanese beetles. Japanese beetles contain toxins that can cause digestive upset and irritation if you eat them. Cooking does not make them safe to eat, and these beetles are considered pests in many areas due to their destructive feeding habits on plants. And oh yay, cockroaches. This includes all varieties of cockroaches, including the German cockroach, the oriental cockroach, the brown-banded cockroach, and the disgustingly infamous palmetto bug or American cockroach. Cockroaches can harbor a variety of pathogens and allergens that pose health risks if you eat them. Why you would, I don't know. While cooking can kill some pathogens, it doesn't eliminate all health risks associated with eating cockroaches. They're known for their resilience and ability to survive in harsh conditions, which is both sort of fascinating and very much problematic. Spanish fly. The Spanish fly beetle, there's the name, contains the same toxin found in blister beetles, as they're related. Ingesting Spanish flies can lead to severe gastrointestinal distress and potentially fatal complications. Cooking does not destroy the toxin. And yes, the toxin in the Spanish fly beetle has been used as an aphrodisiac. However, it simply causes irritation and inflammation in the urogenital tract, and it's extremely unsafe to ingest. So the Beastie Boys mixing the toxin in with their brass monkey drink to get the girl, we're not doing that girl any favors. Africanized honeybees. Africanized honeybees, or killer bees as we know them, can deliver multiple venomous stings. If ingested, these bees can cause severe allergic reactions and other health issues. Cooking does not eliminate the risk of the venom. These bees are known for their aggressive behavior and their tendency to swarm. Robber flies. Robber flies inject their prey with digestive enzymes that can be harmful to humans if ingested. Cooking doesn't neutralize these enzymes. Robber flies are beneficial in controlling pest populations as they prey on other insects. Velvet ants. Velvet ants, they're also known as cow killers, are actually wasps with a painful sting. Ingesting them can cause severe pain and allergic reactions, and cooking doesn't remove the risk of their venom. They're known for their bright colors and they're a little fuzzy, and their intense sting, which serves as a defense mechanism. Giant water bugs. Giant water bugs have a toxic bite that can cause severe pain and allergic reactions if it's eaten. Cooking doesn't neutralize their venomous properties. Despite this danger, they are eaten in some cultures after careful preparation, which involves removing the venomous parts, a very tedious and risky task. While insects can be a valuable food source, I guess, in survival situations, it's important to know which ones to avoid due to their toxic properties. Understanding the dangers these insects present and their roles in the ecosystem can help people make informed decisions about what to eat in the wild. Always be cautious and know your bugs when you're foraging for insects.